मैं जहाँ तक ये समझ पा रहा हूँ कि हम हमारी लाइफ में एक हद तक सक्सेस पा चुके होते हैं, जैसे कि सेलिब्रिटीज है, पॉलिटिशियंस है, उन्होंने एक हद तक अपनी सक्सेस पा ली है, लेकिन उसके बाद मतलब वो एक हार्ड स्किल थी उनके पास, या जो भी स्किल उनके पास थी, जिसके एक लेवल तक तो वो पहुंच गए, लेकिन उस लेवल से आगे जब उन्हें जाना है तो उसके बाद एक गाइडेंस की उन्हें जरूरत होती है। उनका अपीयरेंस कैसा होना चाहिए,
इमेज एनहांसमेंट,
इमेज एनहांसमेंट कैसा, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग को बनाने के लिए ये इमेज कंसल्टेंट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल।
राइट।
तो स्टडी अब्रॉड में भी जब स्टूडेंट किसी और कंट्री में जा रहे हैं तो वहां पे उनका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन मायने रखता है या फिर उनका पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग ज्यादा मायने रखता है?
Everything matters, sir.
Okay.
1 to 10, everything matters. Your first impression, definitely. Your image, definitely. But also your personal branding. So, of course, वो लोग अगर अपने आप को अच्छे से represent करेंगे, they will get better responses from peers, from friends, and also from their professors. Because it's not just that you are well dressed, but the moment you start, suppose you go for a presentation and you're presenting it very well, in a very skilled way, naturally your professors will appreciate you, they will look at you in a different way. But of course personal branding की बात की जाए तो personal branding में appearance, behavior, communication and digital footprint matters a lot. Digital footprint, why? Because social media today is a very important part of your image.
Okay.
It's sometimes, in some cases, that itself is the first impression. क्योंकि कई लोग आपके प्रोफाइल को चेक कर आपको रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हैं एंड ऑल दैट, एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ पॉजिटिव एंड प्रोफेशनल सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल. इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट इट्स फाइन, बट देन try to keep it as positive and as polished as possible. It should be a very sophisticated profile, but try to maintain a very authentic image. So image का मतलब ये है कि आप appropriate, authentic, attractive and affordable तरीके से अपना self presentation रखें. So if you ask me, I think appropriate अगर आप if you take that component, then try to bring in the role, goal and occasion whenever you are dressing up. For example, अगर आप मोदी जी को देखेंगे, PM मोदी, he is so perfectly dressed for every occasion.
Absolutely.
He as a leader has set such a standard for other leaders that now people are looking up to him for even things apart from his political side. So I think Narendra Modi has done a wonderful job of projecting the right image as a leader, as a capable and powerful leader. उसी तरीके से हम सबको एक appropriate and authentic image बनानी है. So authentic comes when you don't have to fake it. You have to have an image which is very true to yourself and attractive. Of course, you can choose the right colors as per your hair, eye, cheek and lip coloration. So that matters a lot. And I think apart from that, affordable. You don't have to have a very expensive wardrobe, but understand that your wardrobe should bring in the best returns on investment. So I think these things matter a lot. अगर आप आज के influencers को भी देखेंगे, so they also, some of them are very authentic. For example, my favorite influencer is Ami Desai, and I think she's doing a wonderful job of projecting the right image as a working mother, and also as an influencer she's projecting a very, very authentic image. She hasn't copied anyone. So I think that for me is very important. And yeah, so these are two very important examples. One is of course our Prime Minister himself and my favorite influencer. So this is what I wanted to talk about.